Yount, and I'm going to be your fourth grade homeroom teacher. This is our room, 2208. So when you come up the stairs, you're going to come all the way down the hall to our room. If you want to take a look inside, you can see the desks are all ready for us when you come on the first day of school. Over here you have our lockers that you'll get to choose on the first day of school. In this corner, we have a sink to help keep us clean and safe. And then over on this corner, we have the teacher desk where both Miss Puderbaugh and myself will be sharing. I will be teaching math and science this year, and Miss Puderbaugh will be teaching language arts and social studies. Up front is our smart board that we'll be using a lot, and we'll talk some more about that in just a few minutes. I want to talk to you about our schedule. Bring me over here. Our schedules are posted right by the door. For our daily schedule, if you're in my homeroom, you'll have Miss Puderbaugh in the morning, and she'll be coming to our classroom. We have a recess in the morning, lunch, another recess in the afternoon, and then math and science, and specials at 1:30. Our special schedule looks like this. From 1:30 to 2:15, we have coding on Monday with Mr. Limke. Tuesday, we have art with Mrs. Bellis. Wednesday, keyboarding with Mrs. Dornbush. Thursday, PE with Miss Roos. Friday, music with Miss Oceani. And then on Tuesdays, we will go to the library from 9:05 to 9:30. These schedules will also be posted on our Seesaw page. So hopefully you have gotten the letter that I sent you that also has the Seesaw page invite. So I hope you go ahead and do that, and you'll be able to see our schedules. Up here, if your parents would want to meet with me over the phone, they can email me at yuntr@muschools.com. And then I also encourage you and your parents to get on the elementary website. There's a lot of great resources as we come back to school. I have some other people that are really excited to meet you, and I want to start with Mrs. Pettus.
Hi, I'm Angie Pettus. I'm the fourth grade intervention specialist, and I will be working with the students in Miss Puderbaugh's and Mrs. Yount's class.
All right, we're going to walk to Mrs. Puderbaugh's class.
Hi, I'm Miss Puderbaugh. I'm going to be your homeroom teacher. I also teach language arts and social studies. This is my third year teaching at Milton-Union Elementary, and this is the only school I've ever taught at, which is really exciting. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of my room. Looks really similar to Mrs. Yount's. When you come in the first day, you're going to get to choose your own locker. After you choose it, I'll give you a nameplate and we'll put it on your locker. For desk, when you come in, your name will be on your desk, so when you come in, just look for it. Back here in the back, since I'm the language arts teacher, I have lots of fun novels that you guys are going to get to use this year and borrow. Back in the corner, we have sink, lots of Clorox wipes, lots of hand sanitizer. I know, the best part that Mrs. Yount hasn't got to yet. All the fourth graders, we use something called dog dollars. As a fourth grader, Dog Dollars is a fun program that will engage your child in math, decision making, economics, and budgeting skills. Every 2 weeks, you'll earn a paycheck just by coming to school. Similar to having a job as an adult, school is your job. Every day, you'll earn money for coming to school. Unfortunately, there are some ways you can lose money. If you are not being respectful, kind, or responsible, you may lose Dog Dollars. You don't want to lose Dog Dollars though, because at the end of each quarter, you'll add up all your money that will be spent on a reward party. Okay, so over here, just like Mrs. Yount, this is the desk that Mrs. Yount and I will both share when we come over and teach you. And then our schedule. All right, so come in 8:40 to 8:55 is arrival, restroom, and organize. We have announcements until 9. From 9 to 10:55, you'll have math and science with Mrs. Yount. She'll come over here. From 11 to 11:15, we'll have recess on the playground. From 11:20 to 11:55, you'll have language arts and social studies with me. We'll go to lunch and back outside to recess. You'll come back and continue language arts and social studies. Then we'll go to specials and continue with language arts and social studies, and then it'll be time to go. For specials, Monday's keyboarding, Tuesday library in the morning with Mrs. Yount and Jim, Wednesday is music, and Thursday is STEM, and Friday is art. If you or your parent would like to have a conference with me, just if you have any questions or concerns, here's my email address, puderbaugh@muschools.com. And again, we really encourage you to check out the Milton-Union website for great resources to come back to school. We can't wait to see you guys on September 8th.